After the controversy surrounding podcaster Ranveer Allahabadia's remarks, the central government has issued a strong directive to OTT platforms adhere to age based content classification and ensure self regulation. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting's advisory follows concerns raised by the Supreme Court, which questioned the center on steps to regulate obscene online content. This issue was also discussed in a parliamentary standing committee meeting where officials from the ministry were present. Here are the key restrictions the government has put on OTT platforms and social media channels as per the advisory. Age based content classification. OTT platforms must classify content according to age groups and ensure that access is restricted based on these classifications. Access control for A rated content. Platforms must implement strict access controls for adult rated, A rated content to prevent minors from viewing inappropriate material. Compliance with IT Rules 2021. OTT platforms and social media must follow the code of ethics outlined in the Information Technology Rules 2021. Prohibition of obscene content. Platforms must not transmit any content that is prohibited by law, including obscene, pornographic, or vulgar material. Self regulation. OTT platforms' self regulatory bodies must oversee content and ensure adherence to the code of ethics. Legal accountability. Platforms must comply with laws like Indecent Representation of Women Act 1986, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhit 2023, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, Information Technology Act 2000. The Ministry of Electronics and IT will assess the effectiveness of current laws and consider amendments to regulate online platforms more strictly. The Supreme Court, while hearing a plea for Allahabadia, made sharp observations on the misuse of online platforms. It warned that if the government does not act, the court will step in. The bench, led by Justices Surya Kant and N. Koteshwar Singh, stated that a legal vacuum cannot be allowed to persist. Following the court's remarks, the Parliamentary Standing Committee has now asked the Ministry of Electronics and IT to assess the effectiveness of current laws and recommend amendments to bring online platforms under stricter legal scrutiny.